Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am making 20 minutes coconut shrimp fried rice with baked salmon. It's flavorful, easy to make, and so satisfying. Let's get started right now. I have the clean salmon in a bowl. I'm drizzling some oil before adding the seasoning. I have the salmon on a baking tray, and next I will pop it in the oven. I have a bag of shrimp in this bowl. I'm going to add some seasoning and set it aside. I am going to clean the peppers and onions, blend them, and add them to the pot. I also added habanero peppers. You can add 1 to 3 habanero peppers depending how spicy you want the rice to be. Next, I will add some seasoning and let this cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I added the shrimp. I will cook the shrimp for 5 minutes, remove it, and set it aside. Next, I am adding sardine. This is optional. If you're not a big fan of sardine, skip this part. You can also add less sardines. I am breaking the sardines apart before adding the coconut milk. I am adjusting the seasoning before adding the rice. The rice is 90% done. Add less water than usual so the rice isn't fully cooked. I turn the stove on low. I am adding a little bit of water to the rice. After 10 minutes, I am adding the mixed veggies. I also added the shrimp. This is an easy weeknight dinner. It's simple but packed with so much flavor. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.